Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error on Windows 10 and 11, right? So what you need to do here, do not press OK. When you get this message, what you need to do here, you just need to press Shift and F10 to open up a CMD, or if your keyboard has Fn keybind, you just need to press and hold Shift Fn plus F10 to open up CMD. To open up this window, CMD. And then here you need to just write reg edit, right? Reg edit. Then hit yes to open up this window here. And then you need to go to H key local machine, expand this option. Then you need to go to system. Then you need to go to setup. Then you need to go to status here. Then you need to go to child completion, right? And then here should be setup. Double click on it, and then if you're getting this error, probably value data for you is not free, so you need to change it to free. Hit OK. Then hit OK on the error, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed, and your computer should boot up normally. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.